Right, welcome back. Here we go for another dev session, and we are continuing on the shipbuilding system. Ahem. Again and again. Well, hopefully we should be able to jump into some code rather quickly. Since like pretty much what I want to figure out right now is what is the modifiers container going to look like? Mm, 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 mm. So, so it's modifiers container, and this gonna be a dict stat name stat modifier array. Because yeah, you could have multiple modifiers. Per stat might not be coming from the same thing. And so here what we want is void sum flat. Actually we can just have sum, right? There's no point in doing this in 2 times when I can just do what? I'll just do sum out flat out nodes. So we do this. We'll need this and here if damage shit. So not none, we're going to go. Actually, let's just write it like, which should it be? For which should it be for which actually? Yeah, it should be. It should be for which modifier in. And we are supposed to pass damage type. Stat name. So we have our out values as well. And so here and here we do if flat mode equals modifier that value else not mode plus equals modifier that value. And asset, and if it's not, if damage type not none, then we want to do the same thing. We do the same thing, but this time we use damage typed stats, and we pass damage type in here and set name. And that's it. New is gonna be stat modifier array. So we didn't really like get into this, but it doesn't matter too much. Let's just say that here this is going to have multiple stat modifiers. And this thing here over here I will eventually get rid of the code because it's gonna get outdated anyway, so it should go here actually. Not like this. keep enlarging this. Okay, would be nice if could have this kind of over here. I do. I'm just gonna recreate because that's kind of weird. Mm. Not this laser. What? Is it selecting this? Okay. Mm. Mm. So, how are we going to create these modules? Because if we were gonna use this class over here, I mean something needs to be able to instantiate them. This should be the layout responsibility. Yes, because this. Not sure. And this should also take a slot index probably. So it like this. This slot index, and this guy takes a slot index as well. It doesn't need the module. So also have a install and install. Something that's still a little foggy is this stuff here. I don't know, there's kind of two ways to go about it. But in both ways, I'm gonna end up writing this function, but well, there's a way where I write it only once. And yeah, we just have a ship module weapon projectile, and we just define all of these stats either on the module here, or I would just do subclasses. And maybe we can override this behavior. I mean, that would be fine to have this one, as long as we can still. Where's the stuff over here? Of course. Oh, but it locked everything, not that. Lock this. Okay. So everything is still not completely defined, but we should be able to subclass this if we need something more custom. I don't think we do. Okay, so I guess it's time to go back to the code and start writing this stuff. So I would like to start with the assets. I wonder if I even need the module ID anymore. Right now it's mostly used to make the link between ECS side and Unity. And I think if we just, I think we could just have a class instead. But, yeah. Sometimes it would be better that we have this here. Let's make sure we put the right classes in. But yeah, nonetheless, we would not need the module ID anymore. I don't think so. I don't think we need this, yeah. And we're gonna have tags, which we didn't model here. Oh, there's just gonna be an enum like. Weapon, kinetic, projectile launcher or something like that. Well, now that we have designed this whole thing, it's even more overwhelming to code it. At least we know kind of what we need to do. When was the last commit? Uh, yeah, I mean, we're not really in a clean state right now anyway, so at least we can fly around. Like, yeah, it's just a bug with the heat detection is not working anymore. Not sure why actually. Mm, it's kind of strange. Let's maybe try to figure out why this is not working before we start blowing up the whole code base. It's like, yeah, it seems like that would be a better idea. um, so maybe they are eating, they just don't do any damage. Why is that? Mm, yeah, because I blew up everything in terms of stats, but it should be working, no? Mm. I'm still using stuff from here. Issue 0.1. How are we setting the damage right now? Mm, yes, so damage. Yes, weapon damages, so it should be this thing, right? Wait, it's got a flat damage of 0, that's why. Wait, no. No, because it's supposed to use the kinetic ratio. Okay, so that means when I get here, it goes and asks the ship manager, what is the stat name, the damage for kinetic? And we pass the slot index. And so what happens then? To get the ship module. Okay, the module that get damage stats. It's like a bit of a loop here. Hmm. running in circles. So yeah, so we get the stat from this. And it should have been loaded through the asset, right? Why no? Oh, that's fine. Okay, so also base damage is 10. There we go. Okay, we are in a clean state actually right now. Okay. Let me make sure I save the scene before doing a comment. So always forget. And commit -m clean state before apocalypse refactoring. So that's clean state before implementation. Yeah. So this is module system. Shipbuilding / modules / stats system clean state before implementing so UML new UML design. All right, so let's push this. All right, so time for the big refactoring. We're gonna break a lot of stuff because first of all, we want a new class. It could be a struct as well. I think we need a class for this. Plus I want it serializable. So that's gonna be stat and yep. We're gonna have a stat name, we're gonna have a float value. And and that's it. Right. Let's have our UML stuff over here. So, where is our stat objects? Stat name here, stat. And I'm already fucking everything up. Let's go. Okay. So, stats value, and it can have a damage type as well. Can we have a default value here, please? Just want to see if this works, and it doesn't, of course. Why do... If you have initializers, why do you need a constructor? If I can't use parameterless constructors, then what's this for? Maybe I should just make it a class. I don't think Unity can serialize a class though. Okay, it's... The thing is, if I do a new object of this, like what's gonna be the value? Let me try this real quick. So stats. So this is our fire rate. And the new stats. And I don't pass anything. Now I'm gonna log it. What's the damage type? Fire rate, that's damage type. See, what does this do exactly? I forgot we are flooding. Of course. This is gonna blow up everything. Maybe... no, I have to put it in first, so... Yeah. It's gonna blow up everything. Cause, yeah, this is now energy damage. No, it's not, it's kinetic. I fucking hate Inhums for this. It's true, like, Inhums are shit unless you make them string Inhums, like... Wait, what? Does this have to be an int? You can do this, right? Wait, can enums only be numerical in C#? Let's just ask ChatGPT, because why not? Can I have string enums in C#? Although C# enums traditionally map to integral types, you can create an alternative that uses string. strings by using a class with static read only. Is the static read only technique. With using an attribute. Wait, what? Using the enum keyword with a custom attribute and extension method. This approach involves using the enum keyword along with a custom attribute and extension method to get the string value. Mm-hmm. All of this seems very hacky. So, oh, fuck it, we will not have string enums. Just make sure we, yeah, just make sure we'll always include a value. This is unset, I guess. Maybe we don't want it always. Yeah, and this is gonna go normally. So yeah, let's go on with the refactoring rhythm. Alright, so we have a damage type. We'll also want a public string. Because human name and public string description. So I'm thinking stats are going to maybe have some help text, and that would be it. Where I should be able to do like some kind of hover effect that would show it. Hopefully. And so we want a public bool. Right. Is damaged. It's damage typed. Which returns damage type not damage type that none. And we can make this read only. Yeah. We're supposed to. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do this actually. Alright, then we have our stats container. Like we were using a U dictionary. We're gonna need something that's going to be able to take a list. It can do that. Oh, the thing is, this stuff should probably not live on here. Because it should probably be linked to this instead. In some way, so you would have maybe a static. Yeah, it's gonna be constants probably, and you just like query by name. So yeah, I guess we're not gonna have this then. Alright, everything's already changing, that's great. Alright, and for a stats container, I want a dictionary of stat name to stats, and also a public dictionary of stat name, and then we'll have a dictionary of not that name stats is damage type. Damage type stats. Let's not forget to initialize this stuff. And here we're gonna take a list of stats. Then which stats we're going to I don't think we're gonna inherit from this anymore, we don't need to. And here we're gonna do if. So first if stats, god fucking damn it. If stat is damage typed, we're gonna add it to. Well, first we're gonna check if the key exists. God damn it! I can't stop auto completing with bullshit. So, things key stat the damage type. If it doesn't, if it doesn't, we need to create it. Exactly. Yeah, then we just add it. What is this? Is it graded out like this? Oh wait, yeah, that's right. Should be here. Where's the suggestion here? Okay, else. Else, so if stats does not contain stats. Actually, no, we don't care. Okay, we'll just do add stat name and stat. Stat. God damn it. Excuse me. What? Are you trying to convert this to a fucking int? Oh shit. Because this is called stats as well. Oh, yeah. That's not good. Um, yeah, let's not add. Just putting that in. Okay. Oh, so we have a way to create it. And then we want to be able to get. Why? Why are you dumb? Oh, come on, don't tell me I can do this. Oh, yeah. I'm dumb though. God damn it. Your syntax sometimes, I don't know, I'm just not as used to it. Alright, so if we want to get stats, we'll first do yes. What is it fucking doing? If it's none, I was just gonna return stats name. Else, we're gonna return damage type stats, damage type name. Now, of course, here be a bit smarter about this, like um hmm, there's a get stat default value. And let's go implement this. Hmm. I mean, we could just have a static dictionary. Stat name float. Let's say, for example, that name that hell would be 100, I guess. Oh. And these are supposed to be default, so I guess. I guess, yeah. Yeah, the reason I want to do it with a function is that it gives me more control. Because, of course, I could just go and see what's in this dictionary, but if I do it's gonna return a float. Wait, because I do need to. And my default will just return 0. But if default stat values has the key for stat name, then we'll return. Yeah, exactly. But for example, something that I'm gonna want is set name the damage. Well, not damage, but crit chance to be 0. And crit damage mode to be 1.5 or 2. I don't know. Whatever, we can change it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get rid of all of this. Okay. So in here, I guess we want to return a new stat object instead. With value. Name is going to be name, and damage type is going to be damage type. And if not damage after that contains key damage type or doesn't contain the stat name. Return a new stat. It's the same thing. Name equals name, damage type equals damage type, and value equals game constants. It gets the default value. What we will do, we might want also have default for specific damage types, but yeah. Here we can get our stats. Now I would like to be able also to get the modify value. Yes, I'll call this get base value. And this will be this we are gonna use all the time. It's basically this. If it's we just return get base. Yeah, so far this is the same code, and actually it should be the exact same code, so yeah. Get rid of this, I guess. Hmm. Oh, it's a bit weird that get will return you a float. But mm, yeah, it's actually very weird. We get this should be get value, I guess. Mm, yeah, so this is the question of the fallback. Mm. Um, I don't know about this. Maybe this shouldn't be handling this logic. Mm, yeah, we'll have something similar here. Do you mean it doesn't exist? I'm declaring it here. What? Yeah. That's why. First of all, we're gonna want to check whether this is damage typed or not. So we can have the same method as we did for the stat. Well, same property on stat modifiers. And we do need to add it here. What the fuck? No. Yeah. I don't like this convention of naming those members with capital letters. Like, it's bad. But now I'm fucked. Because I've started it. I need to respect it now. So, okay, let's rename this also. Hmm. So, in the normal case, we want to make sure that our list exists for this stat name. So let's input. Yeah, I didn't put this in. pu- pu- I'm gonna create it. Oh, damn it. There we go. What do we just want to add? And here, damage type modifiers does not contain the damage type. Oh my god. We want to create it. It's too long to do this. I will do let's damage type modifiers that contains key. I should definitely do this actually. Actually, not maybe not here, but as well. I misspelled it. Yeah, it's so bad. Like everything is the same, like with the type and ugh, ugh. So gross. Anyway, Where do I even? Oh yeah, no, I do need to check this. Hmm. This is even going to work. Like, oh man, I guess I can't really do this because it doesn't work like in JavaScript. No, it's a list of start modifiers, motherfucker. You know this for sure. What? Mm, yeah, my bad. It's supposed to be like this. And finally, can write to this fucking thing. God forbid I change this code later on. And then so this should be good, except mm, wait, is it still? Is this still? Yeah, it shouldn't be. This is going to be if damage type. Let me none, and we don't have modifiers. Name. And we skip this. And if damage type not damage type dot none, and damage type dot no, and not damage type modifiers that contains key damage type, or mm, or damage. Yeah, maybe I should have a getter. Maybe not. Hash type doesn't have the key for name. So going to return. Otherwise, we return this. Else. No, yeah, no, not this one. Such a pain in the ass. Mm. Yes, god fucking damn it. Can you do the auto completion that you show me? Hmm? Oh wait. This is wrong. This is very wrong. What do I fucking do? Yeah, so I guess yeah, we don't need to care here. I'll just do modifiers. Let's get modifiers. Name damage type, not content. Okay. Okay, that's decent. Alright, so with this we're gonna want to get rid of this stuff. And this stuff. Which is nice. Simplifies things quite a lot. Yeah. That's it. We have two we have stats, we have stat modifier, and we have stats container, and we have modifiers container, and that's it. Alright, so we have the stats part of all this. In terms of this, I think we want to do it maybe last. We already have a good part of this. It might not be exactly up to date. I think what we want to work on now is doing the ship module assets. We do. We have a class for this already. Where is it? What's it fucking doing? Oh, there it is. Yep, so we do we do need a name, description, probably icon also for all modules and the tags. I think for the tags I'm gonna use something custom. I would like to do it as module tags, I guess. Doing let's just do it like this. But maybe we should namespace this. I'm sure it doesn't conflict with other stuff. I basically want this as shit flags. And okay, so we'll have a bunch of tags like weapon. Not equal 0. Kinetic 2. I guess it's gonna be something like that. I don't know, like, this is already information that I could figure out in some other ways. I don't really need a tag for this. Mm. I could just use a stats container for this. Hmm. Hmm. How can we? And the problem is the default stuff now. Yeah, because it's still gonna return default values. Which in this case would not be what I want. I don't know. Ah. I don't know what we're gonna use for this. Ooh. Not gonna want this anymore. And the thing is, instead, we're gonna want to specify a class. And for this, we'll need some external code. That I've used in the past. And I'm kind of lazy to do this now because I know it's gonna be it's gonna be okay. I need to find it and also it's annoying. It's such a pain that I have this again here. Aren't damage types the only thing that are going to use ratios? Like, and I don't think everything else is going to work like this. I think it's only the damage. If it's only the damage, then I mean, even in the code that I wrote over here, also would get any damage type stat like this. Yes, this is what's gonna handle the fallback. Should I not return default values here? Thing is, we need a way to say like, which stats are drawn as ratios from the ship. Hmm. And which ones are not? It would be basically if they exist in here. They are taken from the ship. But I don't want to have like stupid double collections like this again. Well, it's already the stats in there. It's not it. Mm. Oh, actually, this is supposed to be. I guess, yeah, there's not gonna be this anymore. Actually, let's see if this is supposed to. Okay, so file name. It's just a string, right? Should not cause problems. And I'm gonna do the same for utility. Utility. Hmm. But I guess this container will still be on this level. Actually cannot be a stats container, has to be a like list of stats. This is gonna be base stats. Oh, the temptation is really strong to just have classes and define all this shit in classes. Why not? And sure, I won't be able to change stuff in the editor, but I mean, fuck it, no, because like it's not worth the headache. Hmm. The thing is, it's not just the editor though, because I don't need to be able to display what's going on. Like, if a machine gun is taking 10% of your kinetic damage, I don't need to display the value probably. Mostly. And I mean, I could maybe let this class not this class, but the machine gun class could maybe return a description. Yeah. All right. It's been 2 hours. And so it's time for a break, which is probably going to be the end of the day, actually, for me. And hopefully we can figure this out tomorrow. Yep. In the meantime, it's gonna be time for Elden Ring and cooking. Alright, so hopefully see you tomorrow. Hope you have a great rest of the day. And bye bye.